Hi there, just wanted to talk a minute about the vacuum sealer, and that's what we have right here. And you can kind of see how that looks. This is right out of the box. You can see on the back there, we'll show you what that's for here in a minute. But we'll go ahead and set this in place, and so you can see it there. This handle here, of course, locks it in once you're ready to do the sealing that you need to do, but I wanted to show you what you get with this. You do get a roll of some of the bags here that you can use. And I say bags, but you'll see how that works when it comes to cutting these and using these to seal. And then you also have like this here, which is a little bit bigger bags you can use. So that's nice, and smaller. So a couple different sizes there, bigger and smaller. And then you have the tube here, which is kind of nice. You can go ahead and use this. And this is used to hook into the back where I showed you that hole in the back of this. And then this side goes into like a tub on top. And once it's in there, any items that you have in there, it can pull out the air as you use that. So that's nice to have that external tube that you can use. But it's really cool. It's something that's super easy to use. When you take your bags here and you figure out which size you're going to use, you just basically lift this up and you pull this through here like this. And this allows you to cut the size that you need. So that's kind of nice. You can kind of set it up here. We're going to go ahead and do some meat. And so we'll go ahead and figure out exactly what size we need. It doesn't have to be overly big. You want to leave about 2 inches, it says, on each side all the way around so it can seal properly. And so this will be a good size here. And then once it's there, you just kind of go ahead and pull that across like that. And there you go. So it cuts it like that. And so now you have kind of both ends empty like that. And so then what you're going to do is once you get it in place, you go ahead and set it where you want it. And you put it in like this. And you're going to have different ways that you can go ahead and seal this. So I'm going to lock that in. And you can kind of pick what you want to do. Like here's the manual seal. And so you go ahead and do that. And it's going to go ahead and seal that together. It takes about 25 seconds. And so we'll go ahead and move it forward so you can kind of see how that looks after it's done. All right, so this is how it looks here like that. And you can see there it sealed it nicely. So that then gives you this part that you can put your items in. And we're going to go ahead and do that, like I said, with some meat, and then you'll see how we can actually seal it with the vacuum sealer portion. A couple other things I'll talk to you about too on that is you can pick dry, moist, or damp. So you can even do all the way up to like soup if you need to, and or noodles if you need the moist, or then dry would be like what we're doing here, or anything like that. So it gives you, even for a canister or some other things like that that you might need to do, and just gives you lots of options on that. So we'll go ahead and show you how it does the vacuum seal. Okay, so we went ahead and put this in like this, and then you just hit the, it's in the dry mode here, and then you go ahead and hit that, and it's sucking out. Okay, so there you can see how it did that. It took out all the air, and then it actually seals it on the other side for you, and does a great job. So just super easy to use. It is something where, again, you can use it for all sorts of items. Like I mentioned, you know, with the meat like this, or any sort of vegetables, pasta, you know, even soup. So it's got that mode on there for damp mode where you can use that. So if you're looking for a nice vacuum sealer just to be able to take care of your food items or anything else like that, this is definitely going to do the job for you. So check it out.